In this video, I will show you how to make and retrieve your Steam profile link. So let's jump straight into it. So I've currently got the Steam app opened, but the steps are the same if you use the web-based version of Steam. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your account and then come up to the top left-hand corner and click on to Steam up here. Next, what you want to do from this menu is select Settings, and this is going to load up a window like this. So from here, if you come to this menu on the left-hand side, you then want to look for Interface and give that a click. Now, if you're using the new update version of Steam, you're not going to see this option, but if you're using the old version of Steam, there will be a box. So if you look down here, there's going to be a box which you'll need to enable, which will say display web address bar when available. So what you want to do is tick that box. As I say, that is in the older version of Steam. So if you're using the new version, don't worry about that one. And once you've enabled that, just come out of the settings and hover over your profile. Next, what you want to do is scroll down and click onto profile. And you will see at the very top, we have our profile ID up here. So you can just click on this to copy it. It's this web address here. And if for any reason you don't see this, then what you're going to want to do is, again, come onto your profile. So you want to come up to here, click onto profile. And to the right of your picture, you're going to see an edit profile button. So what you want to do is click onto this. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down and you're going to see underneath the general section your URL here. So you can actually change this if you want to use like a custom profile address as well. And you can see underneath we have the full web address there. So that's two methods on how to go and get your Steam profile link, and also how you can go about setting a custom and make your own Steam profile link. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.